How credit scores and money smarts shape your wealth. Credit score factors. Credit scores summarize your creditworthiness using payment history, credit utilization, credit age, new credit, and credit mix. Top credit score factors. Payment history accuracy. Lower credit utilization. Length of credit history. 1. Payment history. Timely payments boost your score by showing reliability. 2. Amounts owed. Keeping balances low improves your credit utilization ratio. Money mistakes by decade. 20s, 30s, and 40s financial pitfalls. Biggest money mistakes in your 20s. Racking up high-interest debt, neglecting emergency savings, and ignoring credit responsibility can hurt your finances early on. Key 20s mistakes. Racking up high-interest debt, neglecting emergency savings, ignoring credit responsibility. Biggest money mistakes in your 30s. Overspending while managing family, skipping investments, and relying only on one income can impair growth. Key 30s mistakes. Overspending while managing family, skipping investment opportunities, relying solely on one income. Biggest money mistakes in your 40s. Delaying retirement savings, ignoring compound growth, and avoiding diversification limit your financial security. Key 40s mistakes. Delaying retirement savings, ignoring compound growth, not diversifying investments. How the rich use compound interest. Unlocking exponential wealth growth. Compound interest benefits. The wealthy invest early, letting compound interest grow their wealth exponentially over time by reinvesting earnings. 1. Start investing early. Time amplifies your gains by letting interest build on interest. 2. Reinvest earnings. Put your interest back to work to accelerate wealth growth. 3. Be consistent. Regular contributions create steady, reliable growth over decades. 4. Diversify portfolios. Spreading risk helps protect gains and fosters growth in varying markets. 5. Patience compounds gains. Wealth grows as you let interest work its magic with time and discipline. Master credit scores, avoid money mistakes, and harness compound interest to build lasting wealth. Start today